Let's quickly take a look at the way that you split a bill using Venmo. Venmo now has an inbuilt feature that lets you split your bills among your friends. So whether you're trying to pay grocery bills or restaurant bills, you can easily split the bills equally, or depending upon the share, you can adjust the amount as well. From the homepage of Venmo, what you need to do is just tap on the pay/request option that you see on the home screen. Just tap on this option. Now here on this screen, you will need to select the people that you're trying to add into the split bill list. So here on the top, just tap on the screen and then select the people that you're trying to add. Once you add it in the people that you want to split the bill with, you'll see the option called split right here. Once you tap on split, you can now enter in the total amount that you're trying to split between. So you can just add in the subtotal on the top, and it will also add in the tax, and also you can choose the tip if you'd like. So just add in the total amount and then tap on next. Once you tap on next, it's going to show you all of the friends that you've just added in, and it's going to equally divide the total amount. So for example, if the total bill is $60, it's going to equally divide $15 each if there are 4 people. If you don't want to equally divide and the bill is different, you can also customize it and change in the split bill amount. Once you're done, you can just tap on send request. This way the request will be sent to all of these people that are on the split bill list, so that they can just tap on pay and the amount will be transferred back to your Venmo account. So those are the few easy steps that you'll need to take in order to split a bill using Venmo. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.